right, this is Clevio take 2. We are working on our Clevio window washing machine. There it goes. Oh, let me get the remote.
Okay.
Like some sort of dashboard.
I'm surprised she didn't do it. Oh, watch out. I'm surprised she didn't do it with an app on her phone, but maybe she didn't want to download it.
Alright, can you control it?
Well, she's got a remote, kind of like it's TV.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so
Okay.
so we'll see. You can definitely smell it.
Yeah. That's
Oh, hold on one second. Hold on.
Squeaky clean. Suction into the glass. Okay. So now I'm pressing the auto. There it goes.
Rolls look like Spider-Man.
Oh, it goes horizontally.
Like Spider-Man.
Wow, that's cool.
It's fun, huh?
Yeah.
How far can we go?
All the way.
Wow, okay.
It has a sensor.
Really? Okay. Probably stand away from you falling.
It's troubleshooting time.
Well,
Huh?
where's the sensor for the thing?
Uh-oh. What do we do now?
Well, before we panic, just kind of... It's the window cleaner, yeah.
What do we do now?
Can you have it go left or right?
Well, I'm wondering about where's the sensor? The sensor at the bottom?
I don't know, it's stuck.
Right, it's
Yeah.
red, so it has to be... Oh, you broke it?
Uh,
Oh, you want me to do it? Yeah. Oh, did it run out of what? You gotta get
Warning sound and red power failure. Gently pull the safety rope, keeping it close and parallel to the glass.
Oh, okay. Does that mean we have to recharge it?
Yeah.
Grab it? So just pull softly down. The suction is going to hold it to the window. Have you seen these before? I hope
He was
they're-
helping us yesterday.
Oh, okay. I was about to say, it's like, I've never seen these exactly. They have bigger ones for the industrial ones, but it comes with like a pole. Okay.